Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today friends, I will show you how to change flight ticket date Emirates. So guys, go to Google and search for Emirates Manish book and click the first result, and after that scroll down guys, you find help and contact option. Click help contact. After that friends, scroll down, click cancel/change flight ticket. This here, scroll down, click this icon guys, click as you can see here, click this icon. You change here, click please get in touch with us, click this one, and from here guys, all you have to do, you have scroll down and click complete our form. This form here, you should be complete this form, and this is after logging your account from here and complete. Write your select your flight ticket here and ticket numbers and all your details. This complete all these details guys, personal first name and last name, and choose this is feedback from here. For example, write your topics, change order, click on this order and write all the subject. For example, I want to change data fly ticket data, and write all information here guys, and you will be click submitting. Then you will receive email, and your email guys to guide you to change your ticket date. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content.